Hello, everyone! Are you ready to practice English with a family at a restaurant?
Yeah! Let's go!
Great! Let's watch and learn together.
Listen to the conversation.
Okay!
Today is Sunday. What shall we do?
It is a holiday. Why don't we go out?
Really, Dad? Can we go to a hotel? Yes, please! I want to eat pizza and ice cream.
That sounds good, but which restaurant should we go to?
There is a new family restaurant near the mall. Shall we go there?
Is the food good there?
Yes, I heard it is very nice.
What time will we go?
Let's go at 1 p.m., okay?
Okay! Okay!
Children, get ready quickly. We are going to the restaurant.
Mom, can you help me with my hair?
Yes, come here. Sit down.
Is everyone ready?
I am almost ready. I am ready, Dad. How do I look?
You look beautiful, my dear.
Do not forget your handkerchief and take your water bottle.
Okay, Mom, I have them.
All right, let's go.
Did you switch off the lights?
Yes, I switched off the lights and I turned off the fan.
Did you close the windows?
Yes, everything is closed.
Wait, I will lock the door.
Do you have the house keys?
Yes, I have them. The door is locked.
Everyone, sit in the car carefully
Children, sit in the back seat.
and wear your seatbelts.
Dad, can I sit near the window?
Of course, buddy.
Mom, please close the door properly.
Yes, I closed it.
Is everyone ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay, let's go.
Dad, how far is the restaurant?
It is about 15 minutes from here.
Are we going by the main road?
Yes, the main road is faster.
Look outside. The weather is very nice today, isn't it?
Yes, Mom. The sky is clear and blue. I can see many shops on the road.
It's a perfect day for a drive. Do you see the big mall on the left side?
Yes, I see it. It looks very big. We can go there next Sunday. What do you think?
That's a great idea. Dad, can we listen to music?
Sure, I will turn on the radio.
Please do not play it too loud.
Don't worry, I will keep it low.
Dad, why did the car stop?
The traffic light is red. We must wait.
How long will it take?
Just 1 minute.
Always follow traffic rules, okay?
Okay, Mom.
We are here.
Wow, the restaurant looks beautiful.
Let's get down carefully.
Close the car doors properly. Done. Now let's go inside.
Yes, let's go.
Here we are. Do you like this place?
Wow, it looks big and beautiful. I like the lights and decorations.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people are there? Good afternoon. We are 4 people. Please come this way. Here is the menu, sir. What would you like to order? Give us 5 minutes, please.
Children, what do you want to eat?
I want a cheese pizza and a mango juice. Can I have fruit salad and strawberry ice cream?
Are you sure you can finish it?
Yes, Mom. I am very hungry.
I would like pasta and fresh orange juice.
I will order vegetable soup and bread.
And I'll have pizza.
Excuse me, waiter? Yes, sir. What would you like to order? 1 cheese pizza, 1 fruit salad, 1 strawberry ice cream, 1 vegetable soup, 1 pasta, 1 mango juice, and 1 orange juice. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Okay, sir, your food will be ready in 15 minutes. Here is your order. Please check. Is everything okay? Yes, everything looks perfect. Thank you.
This pizza smells so good.
Is the food tasty?
Yes! Can I have some of your pasta?
Yes, but first finish your food.
Okay, Mom.
The soup is hot but very nice.
Yummy.
This is a wonderful family lunch, isn't it?
Yes, it is. This restaurant serves very good food.
The food quality is excellent.
Dad, can we come here again?
Yes, we can come again next month.
I am very happy today.
Me too. It is a nice family lunch.
Dad, do you like fruit salad?
Yes, I like it very much.
Which fruit do you like the most?
I like mango and apple. What about you?
I like banana and grapes.
Fruits are healthy. Everyone should eat fruits daily. Mom, can I have some grapes from your bowl?
Yes, take some.
Do not waste food, okay?
Okay, Dad. Dad, can we order ice cream?
Are you still hungry?
Just a little.
Okay, 1 ice cream is fine.
I want chocolate ice cream. I want vanilla ice cream.
Waiter, can we have 2 ice creams, please? Sure, sir. I will bring them soon.
Wow! This ice cream is very cold and delicious. Yes, it tastes very sweet. I really like it.
Eat slowly or you will get a headache.
Do you want another ice cream?
No, Dad, this is enough. Thank you.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please? Yes, sir, here is your bill. Can I pay by card? Yes, sir, you can. Thank you. Thank you for visiting. Please come again.
Did you enjoy the holiday?
Yes, I had so much fun. It was the best day ever.
What did you like the most?
I liked the pizza. I liked the fruit salad and ice cream.
Next time, where shall we go?
Maybe to a park?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Yes, let's go home. Yes, let's go home.
Did you enjoy this conversation?
Practice it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.